So we're starting the underbonnet work on the Aston Martin V8. So this is Aston Martin's own V8 engine that was introduced for the for this vehicle. This is the first time that this engine was used in a car. Mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car's been stood in a customer's garage for the best part of 20 years, and the garage wasn't dry, unfortunately, so there has been corrosion that has crept into various areas under the bonnet. So the main aspects that we're going to be attempting, as you can see from this example here, there's one of the coolant pipes that I've removed already is very badly corroded. The car's fed by 4 Weber carburetors. The customer complained that there was a smell of fuel when he was last using the car. So we're going to strip these down and completely rebuild them to ensure that they're working as efficiently as possible, and also we don't want any risks of fuel leaks. So at this point the engine is being generally disassembled. It's not going for a full disassembly because I've actually started the engine and it's running really well. I will be doing a compression test on the engine to make sure we don't have individual cylinder issues. The key activity for this is to change any perished components, clean back any corroded areas, anything that looking suspect, change the timing chains and do generally a full service on the engine. The cooling system has corroded, and you can't see now, but maybe all the way down there, some of the connections through to the cooling system, some of the cooling radiators for oil cooler are in quite a bad way, and they would be too risky to reuse. The last thing you want is to recommission a car and then 1,000 miles later spring a coolant or an oil leak down the road for the customer. So we're going to be changing all those, and then generally a cosmetic tidy up, try and make it look like an underbonnet of an Aston Martin.